this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can add your voiceover to your video on Canva in just a few minutes. Okay, so this will be a quick tutorial for you guys, step by step. So let's get started. So what you need to do first is you need to go to your Canva homepage like this, as you can see, and what you need to do is you just need to click over here on video. Okay, you see video, click on video, you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, as you can see. So what you need to do first is you need to upload your video that you want to add voiceover to. Okay, click over here on upload and click over here on upload file and upload your video that you want to add a voiceover to. Okay, so you need to upload your video from your laptop and your video will be over here. If you click on your video on videos here, you should find your video here. Okay, so I already have those videos, so I'm gonna choose one. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one for example, and your video, just click on your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points like this and click on set video as a background like this. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to upload your voiceover. Click over here on upload file and upload your voiceover. So this is my voiceover for example. Okay, I will click over here on open and your voiceover will be over here. Okay, will be uploaded to your Canva account. So what you will do to add this voiceover to your video, just click on your voiceover and your voiceover will be under this page. Okay, will be under your video, as you can see over here. That's how you can add voiceover to your YouTube video or any video on Canva just in few minutes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment. See you in my next video.